Hello, my millions of followers. This is Tech Deck Tech Tips 2001 here, and I'm here just to give a brief tutorial on one of the most advanced and professional editing softwares on the market today, that of course being Windows Movie Maker. For some reason, a lot of the more recent computers in the Windows family don't support Movie Maker anymore. There's still some places online that you can download different versions of it. I'm not going to link any of those. You can find those yourselves. I'm here to educate, not to provide for you cretins. Okay, you just want to click on Movie Maker. There's a big, nice, white open area here. You want to click this to import videos and photos. I keep my files nice and organized in different folders. I just got to click here, and here, here. I know it's around here somewhere. Just got to keep clicking. Ah, here they are. Okay, so you want to click there. This is just a video of me in my epic Solid Snake cosplay. And this is ordinarily where you'd begin trimming the video down to make it more short and condensed. You just give it a little trim on both ends, a little trim. But here's the thing. Trimming is like circumcision. It's like circumcision for a video. And circumcision is an unethical and it's not a good practice. I don't approve of it because A, it's Jewish, and B, it makes jerking off less fun. It makes it less fun, and I don't approve of it. So I'm just going to leave this video raw and uncut. And the good thing is, I'm such a professional at recording that I usually nail my takes on the first take. So the video should be good as it is. Okay, so now, as with any good video, you want to give it a nice, good filter. A nice filter effect. There's plenty of options here. You have edgy black and white. You have Australian mode, which makes it upside down. I think I'm going to go with just a good old gay rights effect, which means it's going to have a nice rainbow strobe effect throughout. Nice and good. Gay pride. Okay, so believe it or not, you're almost done. You just need to... guys, give me a moment. I got to look at my script real quick. Okay, did that. Okay, I know what we need to do now. We need to add a good watermark, because these days there's thieves everywhere on the internet, and you can't. The worst thing that can happen is someone steals this extremely hard-worked, valuable video that you poured your heart and soul into for hours, and you slaved over. Someone just steals it and reposts it. It gets you more views and credit than you would otherwise, but it's an evil and unethical practice. So gotta have a good watermark. So just click there for the text. Put a watermark like mine, just like this. And then make the watermark nice and enlarged. Not so large to where you can't see the background video, but just big enough to get people's attention. Okay, that looks good. Okay, put that in the corner. And now you just want to give the watermark very bright colors to make it more noticeable. Make the colors just bright enough to where the viewer's retinas will be destroyed. That should be good. And what the heck, I'm going to give that bad boy a nice good outline. We want it to be as thick as possible. So thick that you'd want to impregnate it and then abandon its baby. God, Dad, why? I miss you so much, Dad. Okay, so you're pretty much done by this point. Now you just need to save the video in an MP3 format. And to do that, just click up here in the file and click Save Movie. Be sure to save it as for computer. Don't save it as for high definition display, because if you save it for like 1080p, that's just going to make it take 3 more minutes longer to render, and it's a waste of time, and it's bad design in my opinion, quite frankly. So save it for computer, save it as my movie, because it'll be very easy to find that way. And yeah, you just let that thing render. Fucking hurry, son of a bitch. Okay, so now your video has been completed, and congratulations, you have just mastered the art of editing on Windows Movie Maker, my friend. Now, be sure to go and upload your video to YouTube. Be sure to spam it on as many image boards and forums and websites as you possibly can to get it more credit. And I guess that's pretty much it. I hope you appreciate my excellent tutorial. Be sure to upload your video and credit Tech Deck Tips 2001. That's me. And, just thank you for watching. You better like and subscribe, or else I'm gonna fucking kill you and slit your throat. God, I